Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Today is day 9 of English speaking and we have an interesting topic today, 24 hours in a world with no technology. How you feel without technology. And today is our objective to imagine, describe, and express thought in English using storytelling and comparison with a twist of fun and challenge. How you feel without technology. Imagine this. Last night, our technology suddenly stopped working. No phones, no TV, no internet, no electricity, no vehicle. The world has gone back in time. And now you have to live for 24 hours without anything digital. What will you do? Now you imagine how you live 24 hours without any technology and you express your thought and telling your story for 24 hours to your friend. I suggest you some phrases. You can use these phrases and sentence to express your thoughts. First one you can try. At first, I could not believe it. Then you express your thought after this sentence. And next one you can use everything was silent, no message, no calls, nothing, and then you add your viewpoint. And next one you can try I felt like I was living in the 18th century, and then you add your viewpoint and express your thought. And you can use this phrase to pass time. I decide to then add your expression or viewpoint, what you do. And you can try next phrases. It was difficult but also refreshing because, and then you express your thoughts. Now speaking practice challenge for you, and you can answer these questions and talk to your friend like you are telling a story. First question you can answer, what was your first reaction when you living without technology? What you feel? What was your first reaction? You can answer this question like a story and tell your friend what was your first reaction. And second question for you, what did you do when you wake up and realize nothing worked? And third question, how did you spend the day without your phone, internet, TV or fan or light? Next question, what did you learn from this experience? And other question is, do you like this break from technology? Now you answer all these questions and tell the answer like a story to your friend. Or you can record the answer while you speaking and listen them again and find out what mistake you done and try to improve that mistake again. I give you some more bonus game. You can try to answer these questions as well. You act like you are a person from the past and answer each one how you talk to the people, and other one what you use instead of phone, and next question how you send message, and next one what fun thing you do without screens. Now you had to make a speech on the day the world went offline or 24 hours without technology. You can write down the speech first, then try to speak in English with your friend or record in camera and check your mistake. I give you an example. You can write down the speech like this one. I woke up and noticed something strange. My alarm did not ring. I looked at my phone. It was dead. I tried switching on the fan. Nothing worked. And no Wi-Fi, no light, no sound. The world had gone silent. And you can write down further in your own word, then try to speak in English and record in camera and check your mistake and then find out your mistake and try again to speak in English and repeat it up to the time you not speak clear and correct. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel as well.